Good morning, kabadis. Maibot na tutanan and happy Friday to one and all. Today is February 13, 2026 and tomorrow is the 14th day of February. Kung the 14th day of February, special ka na sa tuwa and I know pretty well that everyone has already a plan. Dahil mga plano. Kasi nawatan na ako si takeaway na ako sa kanakita ko nilang Valentine's Day. Naana ba kuno ko ka-date? Of course, honestly guys, I don't believe in Valentine's Day. Tungod kay dili man ang among church wala gatuwa na. I'm a member of the Protestant Church or United Church of Christ in the Philippines. What I believe in is love is God. Ang gugma nagagikan sa Ginoo o mayon tag ang gugma gikan sa Ginoo dilahi siya sa gugma sa gibati sa mga tao. Love is not about sexual pleasures. Love is not about kind of intimate relationship with our same sex or opposite sex, but love is more about God. When you know about the love of God, it means selfless. When you love somebody, you're willing to give up everything just to secure the welfare of that person. Inana ang gugma, just like what Jesus Christ did when He was sent to earth to save us. And grabe ang iyang gugma to kay ang kapalit na ang iyang gitawag na itong passion, ang iyang mga kalisdanan, gipag-BI, ang paglampurnas, ang paglatigos, ang kalawasan, grabe yun man ito the passion of Christ. Nga na ako believe sa gugma, what I believe is more about God's love to humanity. And it's all about salvation. And the only way for us to, get to heaven one day is to believe in the Son. Okay, and He is the Christ, the Prince of Peace, sent by God to earth to take good care of us and to save us from the wrath of sin. Okay, so good morning.